फ्रेंड्स, एक बार फिर से आप सभी के बीच मैं और हमारी टीम एक सुपर एंड जबरदस्त ग्रुप डिस्कशन के साथ। और आज हमारा ग्रुप डिस्कशन का टॉपिक है, द टॉपिक इज हु हैज अ ग्रेट इन्फ्लुएंस ऑन अ चाइल्ड्स कैरेक्टर। हु हैज अ ग्रेट इन्फ्लुएंस ऑन अ चाइल्ड्स कैरेक्टर, इसका अर्थ है कि एक बच्चा सबसे ज्यादा अपने जीवन में किससे प्रभावित होता है। सो आई हैव गिवन देम थ्री ऑप्शंस, तीन ऑप्शन दिए हैं, टीचर, फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स। ओके, दे विल डिस्कस दैट हु हैज अ ग्रेट इन्फ्लुएंस ऑन चाइल्ड कैरेक्टर। और इसके अलावा भी अगर इनके पास और कुछ मैटर हो कि भाई एक बच्चे के जीवन को ये सारी चीजें भी प्रभावित करती है, so hope you will enjoy this session. Are you ready, guys?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
So be happy.
Yes, sir.
Let's discuss this topic, who has a great influence on child character. All the best. Start.
Good morning, respected sir and all my dear friends. Today we are here for a group discussion, so let's start. According to me, first of all, first influence is parents good, but as well as the teacher is very good, because from childhood till about 14 years, and children lived in control parents. So children are following parents, and parents teach many things. Children like speak, walks, anything, good behave, good things, but children get matured after, so children do not follow parents. He is very himself, and do not work properly there, and day by day very himself and demanding, so and more demanding parents. So parents are also demands in their children, and children are ignoring parents, do not work properly. Then after then going to children going to school, so children are listen to teachers, and teach properly. Teach properly, so children are done homework easily, and teacher don't learn to do anything like do not fight them, do not thief others, and do not misbehave. Teacher is a good teacher teaches good things, and teacher are himself teacher burn to himself, and give lights others. So according to me, teacher is best.
Very good. Nice. Move on, everybody.
According to parents are very important in children's life, because the family has many types of age to children. So they have to honesty, hardworking, discipline in our life, and the parents are wish each other to fighting to their children. That's very difficult situation, because they have to small mind. They are not thinking to more. They affect to children's life and their problem place. But nowadays mobile and social media are also very big problem to children. They have to also using these diseases to become bad. They have to habits to or every time watch to mobile and other activities to. They have to also very children's mind to affect according to me.
According to me, first parents are a great influencer on child, but teachers are also great. They not see children are good or bad, rich and poor. They teach they teach all the students, and learn many things. According to me, parents are as well as a teacher. First of all, teachers are very important on the student life, and first we can we were going to school first class, so learn to many activities, and we learn to stand up, we learn to get, and how many how is your friends, and how is your honesty, and it is many types learn to teacher. So teacher are very important on the student life, and we suggest a good opportunity, and we suggest new activities, and we get take suppose some colleges and students programming like games, and dancing, singing. So our teachers take a student, and we improve our many things. Thank you.
According to me, child life in teacher good and education knowledge is best. Thank you.
In my opinion, all the peoples are great influencer in child's character, because when we talk about parents, so
children live with parents when they born, when he born, and after that he live with them and they join the school or kids school and all. After that he become an adult. Then he learn a lot of things from parents and it is depend on environment. What with whom they live and which type of friend they have. So they learn a lot of things from friends and suppose I'm talking about myself. I am very close to teacher in from starting when I was in KG1. I am very close to my teacher. I am very attract about teachers' life and teachers. So I always think about I want to become like them. So because I was very close from them, so I want to become like them. And after that, our in our Indian culture and in our Indian system, I think it is very bad. You know, when in America, when children become 18-year-old, so they have to pay their room rent if they live in their own house. So it is very good because when they have to pay their room rent, they give their room rent of their parents. And it is very good. They learn a lot of skill and they earn money and they depend on ourselves. So if in our India, we have to create this type of rule in our India also. If children become 18-year-old, so they have to become responsible and skilled person. And American student also curious about learn many things. So we can learn a lot of things from their lifestyle and their children's also. So please influence.
Okay, so we have discussed a lot that teachers, parents, as well as the family. Okay, but we have not discussed that what is the impact of friends, because it is common thing. It is said also that avoid bad company. So why it has said? Because kids also influenced too much by their friends. Like you have seen that why children indulge in activities that they should not perform. Like many children, they smoke, okay, they chew tobacco, okay, and the rave parties and other modern systems are there. Okay, I think that culture is not available at home. So from where it comes? Okay, the crime rates are increasing and the juvenile crime, it means the juvenile crime, that is the 16 to 20 years children, they perform the crime that will come in the category of uh, juvenile crime. So in that condition, why? I don't think that the teacher, parents, they do not teach such kind of activities, but many people indulge in those things also. So what do you think, that do the friends has impact or not?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Also networking area.
Okay. So because most of the time the kid or the children spend with their friends, they are the friends for good time, they are the friends for bad time also. They share their small things that they cannot share with their parents and teachers. They share that, they get the motivation and inspiration from them and they do such kind of thing. And what happened when we talk about the early age, if we talk about the age of 14 to 20 years, in that age, we want to copy the people. We want to copy the people. Like our friends are moving by, riding their bikes, okay, moving by bicycle, they have the good jacket, they have something like that. So we want that thing also. So that kind of things comes from friends also. And many of the people are there, I have seen in the school time. Like if a child is in a good company, it means he has a circle of studying people. So he also started to study.
Yes.
Okay, but he indulged into bad company. So he divert from there. Okay. Apart from this, the selection of coaching, the selection of school, the selection of colleges, usually we do as our friends do. So I think friend is also an impact that we cannot live. Okay. Now share your opinion also, that apart from friends, family, and teachers, which are the other factors that influence a children life? Okay, let's discuss first. Okay, anyone can speak. Now it's a group discussion, guys. कोई भी बोल सकता है.
We kids follow teachers and friends by their words and family members by their words. They do follow the instruction of teachers during school activities and other many things. As far as family members are concerned, they copy our behavior, our habits, and other things. So family members and teachers also influence.
According to me, friends, teacher, and family have a significant effect on a child character and development. Parents are the child first teacher.
Nowadays, child are do not follow our parents' rule and teachers' rule because kids is all the time open the mobile and open the reels and only focus on mobile and we learn to mobile activities. Do not follow our parents' honesty and other things.
But he's also follow teachers, and he's follow teacher, and he's teacher teach us, and teacher give us homework. So he's always easily done homework like presentation work, anything.
So only some students are very lazy because we wake up in our home and operate the mobile.
But this yes, getting your point.
Because suppose American English Academy, some students are very lazy. All the times are teaching and all the students are do not done our homework and do not increasing in English.
No, but I think all students is also very talented. So I think not lazy in American English students.
Yes,
Only
some students.
So
If all the student not follow the miracle rules, so they are spoil their life with our own hand. All the students have to done their homework and all the things that sir teaches in our class. If you are not interested, so it is your responsibility. You are spoiling your life.
But all students are not coming to the time on class. They have to also.
I am not talking about time.
Yes, you're not talking about in a time. It is also better to come to here in a time and start to classes. And learn
I
to
already
English.
said that it is your responsibility. You should come to the class on time. You should become a task oriented and you have to complete your homework. All the students, I am not talking about you. All the students have to complete your homework. If you are not follow the proper rule, so you are spoiling your life.
Okay, I think we are diverting from the path.
Yeah.
Okay, there are many students, they are watching this video. So suggest them that whom should they listen. Whom should they listen so that it will be beneficial for them.
According to me, so the society is also influent to children. Somewhere we live in a society, so any home is do fighting each other and give abuse each other. So children are also learn this abuse, and children also went his neighbor's home, so learn many things his neighbors.
Before time, do not available networking area and coaching classes. So some students are preparation in examination MPPSC, UPSC, and PhD. So we learn to study and books and write many old books and we learn to many new activities.
Okay, and she has quote a very nice point that society also influence us to do the things. Okay, like nowadays the system becomes, earlier people were not celebrating their birthdays. Yes. Okay, nowadays you can see that in our society birthday becomes the trend. Okay, and even people are spending a lot of money on celebrating birthdays of their kids. Okay, and not only once, they are spending that money twice, thrice, or many of the time. Okay, in marriages the system of marriage has changed. Okay, so what the society will live, we need to do that kind of activities also. So that influence us a lot. Like suppose you are living in a colony where it means they are studying in good colleges, they are studying in the good institute, so you will also influence by them. So we cannot ignore the society also. Let's, making long story short, guys, this is a discussion that we can discuss for longer time also, but at the end we can conclude that, what is the conclusion? Okay, at the conclusion we can say that it is not like that we should always listen to teacher. we should always listen to parents, we should always listen to friends, or we should always try to copy the society. Simply what I'm saying, we should always try to take good things from others. Okay, like your father is a smoker or he is a drunkard, don't learn that thing. But suppose he is indulging worship or how to manage house, how to behave with other people, learn that thing. Okay, suppose mama is fighting with father, don't learn that thing. But how she is caring to their kids, that we need to learn. What the bad activity is there in your friend, don't learn. But what the good activity is there in your friend, that you learn. Don't copy to someone. Try to learn those things that can create your life in a better way. So always try to learn good things from other people and leave the bad things and avoid anything that can make you criminal or that can spoil your career. Leave those things. Like you have a friend. Suppose he started bunking the class. Okay, don't learn that thing. Learn what the good thing he or she has. So by that way we can make our career better. So guys, thank you for participating. सभी लोगों को थोड़ा सा और एनर्जी के साथ आना है. डिस्कशन में डिस्कशन नहीं हुआ, कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लग रहा था कि सिर्फ लोग अपने ओपिनियन रख रहे हैं, है ना. तो ओपिनियन के साथ साथ क्या करना है, हमको डिस्कशन भी करना है. एक व्यक्ति को कम से कम 3 से 4 बार एंट्री लेनी है छोटे छोटे पॉइंट्स के साथ. यस, चलिए, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग गाइस. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो कुछ नई चीज के साथ मिलते हैं फिर. तब तक के लिए गुड डे, गुड बाय.